So this is an unboxing. I've done hair products before, for shavers for my head, but oh yeah, no, I haven't done one of those yet. But this, what's this?
This is a hairdryer.
Yeah,
it's very nice.
It's the Babyliss Travel Pro.
Get your book.
Oh yeah,
get your look.
Get your look. Now, I'm not an expert on long hair, but I'm with someone who is, so I'm hoping you can help me with this, with your expert opinion, because it's been a while since I've used a hairdryer.
So, Travel Pro for professional AC motor.
Hey look, this could be me.
Wait, Daddy has hair.
Now, we were sent this, not by Babyliss, but we were sent this to review for somewhere else, not YouTube. But I'm making a YouTube video at the same time. So we didn't pay for this, but we're not being paid for it either. So you can benefit from us having it in our house near a camera. Power lead, bags, cardboard. Right, this is the size of my hand, and this is the size of the...
That's tiny.
It's really tiny.
Look how big it is on there, now look how small it is.
Hey, maybe I'll be able to use it to dry my nostril hair.
Oh no, it burns.
It burns, it burns.
Yeah,
Travel Pro, so it's not very well packaged.
Ow.
You got setting 1, 2. What's that? Can you see that? That's pretty. The back's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, I like the back, but I prefer it bigger, you know.
You get a really generous cord. Look at this. How long is that cord? That's about 2 meters, the cord. Whoa! It feels really powerful.
Oh, wow.
Go for it.
Oh yeah.
It's a boost.
Yeah.
Can you blow the box over? Go on, blow the box over. Right, blow me over. Whoa! Right, the other thing that it comes with is this nozzle attachment. Do you want to put the nozzle on?
Right.
Does it twist?
Yeah. Oh yeah, it does.
Does it?
Wait. Yeah, there we go.
Do my nostril hair. Go on.
Do it on low. Look at Megan Markle. Wait.
Yeah. Go on. So there you go. It's really.
Wait, go. Wait, Joe, hold it. Make sure the air's in it and close it. Wait. Look at this.
So, I'm not sure if this review was very helpful, but it would dry hair very quickly, wouldn't it? It feels really substantial and it feels really quite powerful. We think the nozzle screws on.
And when you do it on boost, it bounces. You kind of screw and push.
Just to show you one other thing, on the back. There's another switch for the voltage. So if you're going to a country with 120 volts, you can turn this switch here with a coin.
Twist this off.
I hope this unboxing and first impressions of the Babyliss Travel Pro is useful.
Please leave a like if you can.
Yeah, if you've got to this point of the video. Thanks for watching, and why not hit that thumbs up button? That would really help us. Or even subscribe, or even leave a comment to say hi. What do you think? Is this what you're looking for in a travel hairdryer? Do you want to do the closing thing now?
Please help my daddy get 1,000. Can you please help my daddy get 1,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. How's that?